Welcome back, Allison Customs Tool Bag Tuesday. So what I have for you today is this wireless audio transmitter receiver. Basically, it's a Bluetooth transmitter or receiver. It's the SK-BTI-018. I will put a link to the description in there because I got it off of Amazon. I want to say it was about $24. It comes with a USB charger, cord about, I don't know, 18 inches long, and it comes with a 3.5 millimeter plug or a cord, a male-to-male cord that you can plug into it. So the idea is you could plug this into your car stereo that doesn't have Bluetooth, sync your iPhone to it, and transmit to this device, and then it would play through the headphone jack in your car stereo, or your computer, or your home stereo, or just whatever you have. What I use it for is I have actually two of them. And I don't know if you can see it over my shoulder right there, but I have two of them, and I keep them in this little cage I made. You can see the blue light there. Now the reason I bought two of them, and what I do with them, is I put one in transmit and one in receive. And then the headphone jack plug, the 3.5 millimeter plug, I run a cord from one of them straight into the other, and basically I am transmitting from my old iPhone, my iPhone 4, to one of these. Then through the headphone jack, it connects to the second one. So this is the receiver. The second one is a transmitter, and it transmits out to my multiple speakers in the shop. So I can get music out of my iPhone to multiple speaker sources or speaker receivers. And it cost me about $50 to play this little game, but it lets me put music throughout the shop via Bluetooth, and I can do it with my iPhone, my old iPhone 4, or I can plug into, or I can link up to it with my iPad or any other Bluetooth device. Now, if I had an Android, I wouldn't have this problem because I think you guys can get to two different speakers, but iPhone people, we can't get there. So this little feature, and I'm not going to go through all the features of how you make it work. It's very simple. It's got one button, and it's got a switch on the side for receive or transmit, and you push the button to sync it, or you push and hold the button to get it into sync mode, and you sync up your iPhone if you're transmitting, if it's the receiver and you're transmitting to it, or you sync up your speakers if you're using it as the transmitter and receiving with them. I just wanted to share this with you. It's a cool little product. There are others on the market. I don't know if they're any better or worse, but these have been working for me for about, I've had them about a month and a half now out here in the shop, and I get my music all over. And I'd play some for you to prove it, but then YouTube would take all the audio out of this because we'd be using somebody's copyrighted music. So I won't get to do that part for you, but check them out in the description. You might find a great use for them, whether it's in your car or in your shop. And I can tell you, it does work to put two of them together and send your music to multiple speakers throughout the building. So again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications. All the other YouTube stuff. And I'll see you again next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.